Hi everyone, it's Josh Stays from Specialty Product Sales, your virtual paint and body rep. Here to talk to you today about Dominion SureSeal product, Shake and Shoot. BSSBL is the part number. This is a tough, durable bed liner that's really easy to shoot. I wanted to make a quick video showing you my process, how I got it to work, and what kind of results you can get for yourself. I started with bare metal panels that I prepped and sprayed with Dominion SureSeal's 2K primer, then sanded with 180 grit to prepare the primer for the shake and shoot. Inside every 4-liter kit of shake and shoot now is a new gun and regulator. It has the pickup tube designed for the height of the shake and shoot can, but it also comes with the stem that is the proper size for a standard quart can, so you can clean the gun up and use it as your go-to shoot style applicator after you're done. So here comes the easy part. You pour, you shake, and you shoot. The activator is in the can labeled part B. You fill the can labeled part A up to the line, just making sure that you leave enough room to be able to shake and mix up the two ingredients. You shake for at least 2 minutes, twist on your applicator gun, and you're ready to spray. You can see as I'm spraying how easy this product actually is to use. In the instructions it says to use a slow sweeping motion. There was a rep that told me one time that if you do small circles and you randomize your spray a little bit, you can also get a really good result and even. But as long as you stay consistent with your distance and your speed, you're going to get a really good result, and it's really easy to spray. It's also really forgiving. If you want to even out your texture afterwards, you can back your gun up and do a dust coat as well. So this is how my sample panel turned out that I'm going to send to Richmond. In the past, I've also sprayed my own truck bed with this, and it's held up really, really well. This is another great product from Dominion SureSeal. It's a tough, durable bed liner that's really easy to spray. You can ask your local distributor for the part number BSSBL. It also comes in a tintable version in a 4-liter kit, and that part number is BSSBLT. Thanks for watching.